Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have some great news. Did you know that oils can be healthy too? And you can use them in many ways. There are a variety of oils that are delicious, from pistachio, dark sesame, truffle, great olive, first press, even coffee oils. We have a large array of delicious oils that we can use on our salads directly on each, and that's it. You might not need a dressing at all. Enjoy delicious salads, greens, and any type of vegetable with some great oils. High quality oils smell and taste like the food they come from. They flavor our foods deliciously. Their aroma tells us that they're not highly processed and thus they are antioxidants. Enjoy delicious oils in your greens and have amazing food at all times, plus have your own natural antioxidants. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.